Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. Today I am here again with a new recipe. Here I have mentioned the ingredient which we need for that recipe. So let's start. Add all the spices and a minced meat and paste of garlic and chili. Mix it well. If not possible with spoon, so we can use our hands because it's a good mixture. Cut the coriander in small pieces. Coriander have a lot of benefits, but almost we are using to modify the beauty, the taste, the look of our dishes. Now, take a small part of minced meat and make a golakabab in this way. So you can see the shape of a golakabab that I have made. So the same method we are applying for all golakababs. You know what is smile? So smile is actually the sign of happiness. It's a universe. It's from God's side. Those people are like yes people who have ability to smile in any situation. Sometimes we have a lot of things, but we forget smiling. Why? Because we aren't enjoying the beauty of our life. So smile is the gift from God, and it's the best option to connect with people. Now add oil in a pot. Put in all the kebab in the pot and fry on a low flame. So what were we talking about? Smiling. Those people who have ability of smiling, they can receive good things from people's eyes. They can receive good things in any situation. So be smiling. Now you can see it's about to fry. On the low flame, benefit is that it would be fry deeply. Now we are moving the next part of our recipe, chutney. All you know about that. It's a mixture of yogurt and paste of mint, green chili, and clove of garlic. Crush it well, and when the paste is ready, so mix it in a yogurt. Salt about to taste. It depends on you. Also, squeeze a lemon and mix it. So our chutney is ready. Yeah, it's so yummy, and the lemon is good for digestion. I hope the taste of chutney would be tasty, and you will like it if you made it at your home. So you know, smiling is the creature of beautiful moments, which aren't able individually. So if you have a special moment, so might be you got it from your power of smiling. So today I told about smiling, the benefits of smiling, which is good in our life because life is very short, and if you spend it like that without smile, so I hope after some time you will feel that why I have lost my special moments in our life. So keep smiling in every situation. Enjoy every part of our life. So you will feel it. Because if you are not smiling, so it affects you badly. So avoid yourself from this affection and keep smiling for the rest of your life and enjoy the special kebab which I have made it. I hope you will like it, and if you would like it, so don't forget to give me a big thumb and also subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. So enjoy the recipe. and keep smiling. Thank you. Bye bye.